You know that old saying, it's not you, it's me? Well, here's the spoiler. It really is you. It's you. The whole world has changed around you, and you're still delivering your content in the exact same way that you used to. But here's the thing, the whole world is suffering from an attention deficit disorder. There is literally not a single one of your students out there, one of your prospects out there that isn't completely overwhelmed, completely inundated with so many messages, so many decisions, so many things to think about and sift through. And you're thinking, but I gave you this amazing book, or I wrote this incredible course, and all you have to do is just go through it. You know what they're thinking? I don't want to go through it. You go through it, and you tell me what I need to do. That's really what they're thinking. They don't have time to sift through and find the thing that applies to them. And quite frankly, because of everything being so instant these days, they want it done for them like immediately. So that whole old school method of courses, and listen, I love a course. I have a course. But I think the world has changed a lot. We don't want to sift through a module. We don't even want to watch TV anymore. We're just scrolling through our phones looking for that immediate dopamine hit that is, oh, that. And then we're on to the next thing. So you have to be one step ahead. You have to actually meet your student or your prospect where they are. We call this the moment of need. Meet them in their moment of need. And this is about being one step ahead, about thinking how to create and curate your content in a way where you can take them through it in a self-guided direction, where it's like kind of like the mix between bespoke. You know, bespoke is like extremely custom and tailored, and mass market. What's the problem? Well, you don't have enough time to do bespoke, and you really just can't get a bespoke result from mass market. But here's where the changing world comes in. And this is actually good news for you. Like, thank goodness, Barry, I was waiting for the good news. Okay, here's the good news. The good news is that AI actually makes it easier to do this. Now, here's what I keep seeing in the world around AI. We are all using AI to make our lives better. How do I use AI to create faster, to create easier? It's all about you. Remember that whole thing? It's really about you. It is about you and what you're doing. You're making it easier for you. You're not making it easier for your student. I think the shift that we're all headed toward is how we use AI to make our students' lives easier. This is about taking your content, created a self-guided journey that allows them, for example, to answer some simple questions, and then you get the result for them instantly. So think about it. You could have a course where you go module by module and you watch the course and you're like, oh, I get it. But now I have to apply what I got in order to get the result. I have to actually take the thing that I learned and implement it on my own. Or you could watch a short little video, think 5 minutes. I'm talking super short with a key concept, and then answer a few questions, and then voila, it's done for you. Now, this is different from AI. You might be thinking, Barry, how is this any different from ChatGPT or Claude or any of the things out there? Here's what's different. You've created the guided journey through your IP, through your unique lens, through all the things that you know. You know that old saying, if I had more time, I'd write you a shorter letter? It's harder to write a short letter than a long letter, and it's harder to write short form content than long form content. But if you can whittle your content down into simple questions paired with their simple answers that actually generate a result in the moment, that's the difference. It's still coming through you. You're the one who designed it, who curated it, and who created it. And now they're on the receiving end, but it's getting done faster, simpler, and easier. I think of this as being unreasonably helpful. And I think we're in the age of being unreasonably helpful, of harnessing the power of AI to help our students get something I call the compounding effect. The compounding effect is when you take one piece of information and the next and the next and the next, and they all talk to each other. Not silos where it's like, use this prompt, get a result. Now use this prompt, get a result. I'm talking about prompts that all work together to get the compounded result. That's where your students really start to get traction. And you know what that means for you? It means they consume the content, they love the content, they rave about the content, they renew for the content, and they recruit other people to consume your content because they're actually getting results. The old days of promising results are gone. Now we have to actually deliver them. And I don't mean that you've been out of integrity. You've been trying your best to deliver results, but you needed them to do the work. and they're waiting on you to meet them at their moment of need. You connect those two things, and now you have an offer that sells, but more importantly, you have students out there getting the results and spreading the good word. And you know what? In an age where ads are super expensive, wouldn't you love to have your students out there selling for you? I know I would.